Hi everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your HP DeskJet 2700 series printer showing offline and refusing to print? Yeah, that is a common error that every printer owner faces, but it is not a serious issue as it arises due to changes in settings, bad connections, and pending print commands. In today's video, I'll show you 3 simple methods to get your printer back. If you want one-on-one assistance, call us at the numbers displayed. If you want to go ahead with the video, let's start by checking the connections. Method 1. Restart devices. Turn off your Wi-Fi router, printer, and computer or mobile. After 30 seconds, turn on the devices and connect them. If restarting your devices solved the error, please subscribe to our channel. Otherwise, let's check if your printer is not set to offline. Method 2. Set printer online. Click on the search bar and open the control panel. Select Devices and Printers. Right-click on the HP printer. Click on See What's Printing. Unselect the Use Printer Offline option if checked. For more tutorials related to HP printers, tell us your issues in the comments. If the offline error is still there, let's clear the print queue. Method 3. Clear queues. On your desktop, click on the search bar. Search for and open printers and scanners. On the Bluetooth and devices, click on the printer for which you want to cancel the print jobs. On the next window, click on the Open Print Queue. In the Print Queue window, click on the 3 dots icon at the top right corner. Select the Cancel All option. In the little pop-up, select Yes. Note, I recommend that you restart the computer after clearing pending print jobs. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.